Ever wondered how AI chatbots work? These digital marvels have become increasingly prevalent in our daily lives, from customer service to personal assistance. But what goes on behind the scenes? Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI chatbots. The process begins with a user's input. This could be a text message, a voice command, or even an image, depending on the chatbot's capabilities. It's the starting point for any interaction, the user reaching out to the chatbot with a question or a command. The next step involves natural language processing, or NLP. This is where the chatbot processes the user's input, using techniques to break down the text, understand the context and the intent, and extract relevant information. It's like the chatbot's way of reading and understanding the user's message. Once the chatbot understands the input, it identifies the user's intent. What does the user want? Are they asking about the weather? Do they want to book a hotel room? The chatbot uses intent recognition to figure out the goal behind the user's message. In addition to the intent, the chatbot also identifies entities, specific pieces of information that are relevant to the user's intent. These could be dates, locations, product names, or any other details that the chatbot needs to fulfill the user's request. With the intent and entities identified, the chatbot determines the best way to respond. This is where dialogue management comes into play. The chatbot maintains the flow of the conversation, keeping track of the history and context, and deciding how to respond based on the user's input. The chatbot then generates a response, crafting a message that aligns with the user's intent and the information it has gathered. The response could be a text message, a voice reply, or even a combination of both. Once the response is ready, it's sent back to the user, and the conversation continues. Users can ask follow-up questions or provide more input, keeping the interaction going. Many chatbots are also integrated with external services or databases. This allows them to provide more detailed responses, like checking room availability in a hotel's reservation system or fetching weather data from a meteorological service. To keep improving, chatbots use machine learning techniques. They learn from every interaction, adapting and refining their understanding and responses. This continuous learning process allows them to provide more accurate and contextually relevant responses over time. Finally, chatbots need to be maintained and updated regularly. They can be deployed on various platforms, from websites to messaging apps, and require continuous monitoring and updates to adapt to changing user needs and handle new intents and entities. And of course, user feedback plays a crucial role in a chatbot's learning process. The feedback helps the chatbot to improve its responses and overall performance, making it more effective and efficient. So there you have it, the intricate, fascinating process that powers AI chatbots. From user input to continuous learning, each step plays a critical role in making these digital assistants as helpful and intuitive as possible. And as technology continues to evolve, who knows what new capabilities the chatbots of the future will possess?